Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do a detailed analysis of Cardano. So that is its ADA token. And let's begin this video. Let me tell you one thing guys, that I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research. Do not make your investment decisions on what I share. I'm just giving my view and my opinion over here. So as you can see, I had tweeted this on January of this year, on 2nd January to be more specific, that among all the cryptos, for me, Bitcoin, ADA, SXP, and VRA, these will be among the top performers of 2021. This was my tweet back in January, and I still stick to it. And we have already seen ADA performing immensely well in this first quarter. It has been one of the best performers in the blue chips or top 10 cryptos. So let's go to ADA chart and look at what ADA has for us. So in front of us is an ADA BTC chart, sorry, ADA USDT chart, that is ADA USDT, and this is a daily chart. So the first thing that we see in this daily chart, that it is currently been following this channel. This is the channel ADA is following, and since 18th of February. So this is a channel which we can clearly see it following, and it's holding its pivot very well. So as we can see that in this Bitcoin correction last week, it came down till 0.9, and this was the area where it resisted this spike. So this acted as a very big support, and hence now, and it immediately went back up. If we see, it was only this spike, otherwise this channel was not broken. We can clearly see this channel was not broken. There was only one spike during that BTC correction, and it is again going up. So it is in the channel in spite of heavy Bitcoin correction. So it is showing the strength of this asset, and this is a channel which, in my opinion, once it breaks this channel, it will lead to another impulse move on the upside. Since we are in a bull market, and Cardano is one of the strongest trending projects, one of the strongest communities in crypto, and they have just recently signed with Ethiopian government. So a lot of bullish news in Cardano's front, and we are soon going to see Cardano starter and a lot of projects coming on Cardano. So when we talk about the technical as well as the fundamentals, everything points on Cardano breaking the upside once this channel is broken. So this is what I see, that it will again go retest this channel high and ultimately break out on the upside. Let's go to 4 hour. As we can see clearly in this 4 hour that it's been following this channel, and in fact, just give me a minute. I had shared ADA targets also on Twitter, because I see this at least doing another 2x to 3x from here in this bull run. If you look at the Cardano market cap, It's at around $43 billion, whereas ETH has just crossed $300 billion. So Cardano can at least go to 100, $120 billion in this bull market. That is a reasonable expectation for it to do another 2 to 3x from here. And if we see this chart, then we can clearly see that it will ultimately go for another high. So I had shared Cardano targets also. I had shared these targets on 17th of April. That these are the new Cardano targets for me: 1.62, 2.53, and 3.6. This is because this is what I can see on this chart. This is what I can see. Once it breaks, these are the levels I clearly see it going for. Of course, this is not a financial advice. I can be wrong. So please do your research. Now, these are the levels I clearly see Cardano going. And hence you can refer to my tweet over here. These are the targets. But this is an uptrending asset and it will eventually break out on the upside. That's in my opinion. And the biggest support for Cardano would be this area, that is around 0.9 to 0.85 to 0.9. So 85 cents to 90 cents is the support on which this new wave will start. If you look at Cardano BTC, let's look at Cardano BTC. This is Cardano BTC. And again, if we see this, I'll just zoom out. This is a daily chart of ADA BTC. Look at this. In BTC valuation also, it's outperforming Bitcoin clearly. This has been an insane wave. It's consolidating well. If we see the fib, let's look at the fib and analyze the strength of this wave. Just look at this fib. It corrected down to 0.5 and it bounced well. And since then, it's consolidating and going for higher highs again, going for retesting its top all-time high. Just look at this. It's currently getting resisted by 0.236 area. Let me zoom. So this is a 0.236 area where it's facing resistance. But after this correction, we can see that it's clearly going on an uptrend. The correction is done. And hence, looking at the fib, we can see that soon it will go for its all-time high and then create a new wave once it breaks its all-time high. So this is a triangle that I see it forming, and once it breaks this triangle, it's going for a new all-time high. So even if we look at this and say it breaks on the upside, then this is the immediate target once it breaks this triangle. The immediate target that I see is this in Bitcoin pair. This is the immediate target. So that is around 4,041. If we see the price possibility from here, Then once it breaks this, it's another 61% at least. That's an immediate target on the Bitcoin pair. But what I see is look at this long zoomed out chart. Then this has been its previous all-time high in Bitcoin pair. And there's no reason why it can't retest this time. On a longer time frame, this can be a complete circle of retesting. So this is a bullish looking chart and it's going for new highs. And hence Cardano, I think, has a lot of upside potential. And you can look at Cardano if you are interested, or if you're already holding. I think it has still a long way to go. Just see this. The target that we made is already, in fact, coinciding with this previous resistance. And this is the resistance that it is currently facing. Just look at this. So perfectly blending with our. So this is the immediate target for Bitcoin pair, which I see that is another 60% from here. So a 60% in Bitcoin pair, then in USDT pair, we can at least expect it to go 100% from here. So the price is 1.35. So $2.6 Cardano is on cards. In fact, for me, I have already shared my targets that I can see it going up to at least $3.6. So that's it, guys, for Cardano. I hope you find this useful. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and come back for new videos daily. I am doing my best to upload a daily video for you every day and doing my best to analyze new assets. If you have any suggestions, if you want me to analyze any asset, any crypto asset, please comment down below and do like and share. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye.